Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of safely replacing a starter on a vehicle. This is a common repair, and following these steps will ensure a successful job. Before you begin any work on a vehicle, safety is the top priority. Always wear personal protective equipment, PPE, including safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands from fluids, debris, and sharp edges. Make sure the vehicle is parked on a level surface, the transmission is in park, and the parking brake is engaged. To prevent the vehicle from rolling, you should also use wheel chocks. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations for any service. Here's a quick overview for common starter removal and replacement. The first step in starter removal is to disconnect the battery. This is crucial to prevent electrical shorts and potential shocks. If required by the manufacturer, use memory-maintaining equipment to preserve the vehicle's computer settings. After connecting the memory saver, you can disconnect the negative battery cable. This single action removes power from the entire system, making it safe to work on the starter. Now let's locate the starter. Some manufacturers choose to mount it under the intake. It's most commonly mounted on the engine block near the transmission. Once you've found it, you'll see a few wires connected to it. One large primary and 1 to 3 control wires. As you are learning, it may be best to label these wires as you disconnect them to ensure they are reconnected correctly. Being careful to prevent damage, disconnect all the wires one at a time. Next, you'll need to remove the starter's mounting bolts. As you remove the bolts, pay attention to any shims or spacer washer. These are critical for proper gear alignment and must be saved. Once the bolts are removed, you can safely remove the old starter. Before installing the new starter, take a moment to inspect the flywheel or flex plate ring gear. Look for any damage or missing teeth. This is a very important step. If the gear is damaged, it can cause the new starter to fail prematurely. If all components pass a visual inspection, you're ready to install the new starter. Begin installation by placing the new starter into position. Remember those shims or spacer washers I reminded you to save. Make sure to use shims or washers of the same thickness as the ones you removed. Using a different thickness can lead to improper gear mesh, causing a loud grinding noise and premature damage to the starter and flywheel. Once the starter is in place, you can install the mounting bolts. Use a torque wrench to tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. After the bolts are torqued, reconnect the wires you labeled earlier, making sure each one is on its correct terminal. The last step is to reconnect the negative battery cable and remove the memory saver. Now, start the vehicle to check for proper operation. The starter should engage smoothly and start the engine without any unusual noises. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully and safely replaced a starter. Thanks for watching.